mama's boy. He still doesn't know about food. Yeah, everybody else is eating, little dude. See? Look, everybody's eating. Except for you. Yeah. You gotta get in there. Get in there and get a bite to eat by your mommy. Yeah, not off mommy. Yeah, mommy says eat the dry food, not me. Right, mommy? Good girl. Good mommy. Good girl. Yeah. Hi, girl. Hi. Pretty girl. Did you get enough food in your big belly? Huh? Did you get enough food for your big belly? Already? That was quick. Yeah. That would be pretty quick for you. The other sister's mowing it down. Yeah. This sister right here loves her dry. Mommy's limping. She's got an owie on her leg. Up here. Yeah, I know. Hi, girl. Hi. Yeah, there's the little boy. Good morning, mister. Your two sisters are here. Yep, everybody's hanging out today. Mommy says, please, little boy, enough. Right, Mommy? Little mama's boy, he's persistent. Yeah. He's a persistent little fella. Okay. Yeah. All right. Your sister's on my back as usual. Way up there. Wow, little girl. Crazy little girl. Hi. Hi. Did you see where your sister's sitting up there? Yeah. Yeah. Mommy's getting a drink of water. Yeah. Everybody's cleaning themselves up. And the girl's on my shoulder cleaning herself up too. I can't even move at the moment. Right, Mommy? You gotta have patience. That's Big Boy. He just finished eating. Are you limping too? What the hell happened? I never heard any fight or anything, but he's limping and she's limping. What the heck is going on with these two, huh? All right, little girl, we gotta get up. We gotta move over for a second. Okay, there you go. Wow, good jumper. Big Boy, what's the matter? I didn't know you had a limp too. Hey, what happened to you? What happened to your leg? Well, nothing's broken. Yeah, him and Blackie both have a little limp. his hind leg on his left side. To keep an eye on him during the day today. Yeah, I know, your daddy has a little limp and so does your mommy. Mommy actually went under the bushes. Which usually means she's gonna go lay down. Privacy. Yeah, we don't know what happened to him. Obviously something. But they both are limping. See, he's not too bad. Just pretty gingerly walking. But he's still walking, so maybe it's just a strain. We don't know, right? But we do know that this little one is right here as always in the morning. The little girl saying good morning. Good morning. Not too many days left. Here comes Mommy. Good girl, Mommy. You okay? I notice you're limping. She's over by Big Boy right there. Two lovebirds. I'm not sure what happened. Going to be another gorgeous day. Brother-sister fights everywhere. Everybody heard a strange noise. Except for these two. Brother-sister fight. He's her brother. They're like, you're the one who came over here. Oh, there's your sister. Her other sister ran right past me. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching. Everybody loves Blackie.